welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate a copy with Canva AI, right? I hope you know that Canva launched this Canva doc, right? Canva docs right here. So in case it does not appear on your Canva, don't worry, you can go ahead and sign up online, right? By go straight to your Google or Chrome and type it for you, then you sign it up, right? So after signing up, you come back to your app and refresh it. Right there you will see it. So here is Canva docs, and right with this Canva docs, what Canva really did is that sometime like let me say few days when they actually launched these features, what they did is that they added these features with an AI called Magic Writer, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how to generate both social media posts, any other posts with Canva AI. So what you are going to do here is to head over to Canva doc. But before I click on that Canva doc, I want you to help me do something. Click on the notification bell and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that others may get to know this special idea. So this is working with smartphone very well, okay? So I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know for you to achieve this, right? So let me click on it. So we are heading over to Canva docs right now. So I will click on Canva docs right here. I'll click on it. So I'm going to click on create blank. Okay, so guys, we are actually here. Here is Canva docs where you can type any document, save it and edit it through these icons here, through these editing features here. But in this video we are not going to be looking at Canva doc. We are going to be looking at the Canva AI, where you can generate content for your video, for your social media and any other post, right? So I'm going to, if it was a system, you will see a plus icon just close to this text, okay, but since we are using smartphone, you are going to click on this place, this search icon, right? You are going to click there. So once you click there, you will see Magic Write. That is the AI, Magic Write. So when you click on the Magic Write, it's going to bring in a space where you can write something, right? So I'm going to write the importance of graphic design. The importance of, so after writing, you click on this arrow. I'm going to click on the arrow. So guys, here is our generated this is what Canva has generated for us. So graphic design is essential in creating attractive and effective visual communication. It helps to convey a message or idea through the use of typography, image and so on. So guys, this is what Canva can do, right? So you can actually use Canva to generate a copy for your social media and other posts. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, right? And if you have anything, if there is any feeling you are feeling about the video, you can put it on the comment section and let me just know on the comment section. So guys, with all of that, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.